Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to virtual learning. How are you, students? I hope you are fine. In the last lecture, you did the MCQs, and the MCQs were about the pictures. You saw the pictures and you choose the best option. Okay. Today we are going to do the choose the correct spelling. Choose the correct spelling. You have to choose which spelling are correct. There will be 3 options, so you will choose the correct spelling. Okay, and this is your video number 30. Yes, choose the correct spelling. All these words with their spellings are from your dictation words. Okay, at the end of your lessons, you memorize and you learn the dictation words, read aloud words. So all these words are from those. Okay, so there are some words, so you will choose that is the correct word. Number 20, choose the correct spelling. There are 3 options, option A, B and C. 3 options, you have to choose one option that will be the best option or correct. What do you think? Okay. A, girl, girl, G-A-R-L, girl, G-A-R-L, girl, girl. Option B, girl, G-I-R-L, girl, G-I-R-L, girl. Option C, spelling girl, girl, G-E-R-L, girl, G-E-R-L, girl. So, what do you think? What is the correct spelling of girl? Yes, the correct spelling of girl is G-I-R-L, girl. Option B. Option B is the right answer. Girl, G-I-R-L, girl. 21. Choose the correct spelling. Choose the correct spelling. A, bird, bird, B-I-R-D, bird, B-I-R-D, bird. Option B, bird, B-A-R-D, bird, B-A-R-D, bird. Option C, spellings are B-E-R-D, bird, B-E-R-D, bird. So there are 3 options. You can see these are the spellings options of bird. What do you think? What is the correct option with the correct spelling? A. Yes, bird. B-I-R-D, bird. The correct spelling of bird is B-I-R-D, bird. B-I-R-D, bird. You have to learn the spelling carefully from read aloud words. Then you can easily choose the correct option. Okay. Now we are going to do 22. 22 is Choose the correct spelling. Option A, B, and C. Option A, green. Green. The spelling Graen. Green. B, green. Gearn. Green. C, green. 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 So, what is the correct answer? Correct spelling of green? Yes, option C. Option C, the correct spelling of green. Green color, huh? So, correct spelling of green is Green. 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 23. 23. Choose the correct spelling. A, near. 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 Option B, near. 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 So correct spelling of near is near. 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 Students, the correct spelling of near is near. Near. Option A, but option C is also the correct spelling, but thus it is beginning with the capital letter and small letter. And in the option number C, it should be HEAR, here. So here is a mistake here. It should be HEAR here. So correct option is near. NEAR, near. Options are near, near, and here. So correct spelling near. NEAR, near. Option A is the correct. Okay. 24. Choose the correct spelling. Options are option A, street. 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 B, option B, spelling STEEERT. Street. STEEERT. Street. Option C, STREAT. Street. STREAT. Street. What do you think? What is the correct option? What is the correct spelling of street? Street. Option A. Yes. The correct spelling of street is STREET. 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 Okay. Now we are going to do number 25. 25. Again, choose the correct spelling. So there are three options. Option A, notice. Spellings. Notice. NOTECE. NOTECE. Notice. Notice. B. Notice. 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 Okay. C. Notice. 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 What do you think? What is the correct spelling of notice? All of you notice, just like notice board, notice. 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 Notice is the correct spelling. Okay. 26. 26. Number. Choose the correct spelling. We will read the spelling of mouth. Mouth. Option A. Maoth. Maoth. Mouth. Maoth. Mouth. B. Maoth. Mouth. Maoth. Mouth. C. Mouth. 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 Option C is correct. Mouth. The correct spelling of mouth is Mouth. 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 Mouth is the correct spelling. Okay. Number 27. Choose the correct spelling. In 27, you will learn the spelling of cloud. 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 B. Cloud. 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 Option C. Cloud. 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 What do you think? What is the correct option? Option A. Yes, the correct spelling of cloud is Cloud. 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 Cloud is the correct spelling. Okay. Now we are going to do the number 28. Choose the correct spelling. Options will be on the next page. Okay. Yes. 28. Choose the correct spelling. Here you will learn the spelling of knee. Knee. Option A. N-E-E. Knee. Option B. N-A-E. Knee. Option C. Knee. K-N-E-E. Knee. K-N-E-E. Knee. Correct option is option C. K-N-E-E. Knee. Here K is a silent letter. We will write when we are going to write knee, we will write like this one, K-N-E. Knee. But when we will read, read K is a silent letter. We will not read K. We will not read knee. We will read knee. Knee. K is silent. Okay. So C is correct option. 29. Choose the correct spelling. Here you will learn the spelling of stone. Stone. Option A. S-T-O-N. Stone. S-T-O-N. Stone. B. S-T-O-N-E. Stone. Option B. S-T-O-N-E. Stone. S-T-O-N-E. Stone. Option C. S-T-A-O-N. Stone. S-T-A-O-N. Stone. What do you think, students? What is the correct option? Which spelling? Correct? Yes, option B, stone. S-T-O-N-E, stone. S-T-O-N-E, stone is correct. Now, this is the last MCQs of choose the correct spelling. Options are 3 and you will learn the spelling of ball. Ball. What is the correct spelling of ball? Option A, ball. B-O-L-L, ball. B-O-L-L, ball. Here option should be A. A. Option A, not B. Option A, B-O-L-L, ball. Option B, B-A-L-L, ball. Option B, B-A-L-L, ball. C, B-O-L, B-O-O-L, ball. B-O-O-L, ball. So what is the correct spelling of ball? B-A-L-L, ball. So the right answer is option B, ball. B-A-L-L, ball. B-A-L-L, ball. Now students, we will do the true false. True and false. Okay. You will see the picture carefully. I will ask the question. There are question. If it is true, then you will tick the true. If it is false, then you will tick the false. Okay. True mean right, correct. False mean wrong. True, tick, and false, wrong, cross. Okay. You will see the picture, then you can easily choose is it true or false. Number 1, is it a wheel? You can see the picture, then give the answer. Is it a wheel? Is it a wheel? False. B, false. Yes, because it is not a wheel, it is a handkerchief. So we'll choose false. F-A-L-S-E, false. It is not true. False. Number 2, you will see the picture carefully, then you will choose is it true or false. Is it a cup? Is it a cup? Is it a cup? False. It is false because it is not a cup, it is a bowl. So it will be false. False. Number 3, is it a pear? Is it a pear? True. Yes, it is a pear. So we'll choose the true. Number 4, is it a basket? Is it a basket? What do you think? It is true or false? Yes, true, because it is a basket. So we'll choose true. Last picture. Is it a dog's tail? Is it a dog's tail? What is the answer? Yes, true, because it is a dog's tail. So we'll choose the true. Okay. Thank you students for watching. So over this lecture 30 is completed. you learn in this lecture you have to choose the correct spelling and true and false. You have to revise carefully and you have to do the practice of your this lesson. I will see you in your next lecture. Till then, take care. Bye bye.